Hello all, welcome to SSC Masala. This is the English medium channel. If you want Hindi explanation, then you can join the main channel. In this video, I will discuss about the CGL 2024 court case problems, and the updates about CGL 2023 court case, which is currently going on in the Supreme Court and already over in the High Court. Now, what are the problems in the CGL 2024 final result? It is the abnormal normalization. The reasons are simple. These are multiple shifts and a lot of changes in the final answer key, which is even more than the CGL 23. Some correct questions are made wrong in the final key, but this time it is less. It is like 2 to 3 questions. The main blunder has been done by SSC by giving bonus marks to all in the 19 questions. The exam was done in 2 shifts, and in 19 questions everybody was given marks, whether somebody has not attempted the question, whether somebody has done it wrong, or whether somebody has done it correct. Everybody has got the marks, and this bonus has been given even in the correct question. So this is the problem. And then there was a difference in the questions of English and Hindi medium students. Means for the English medium student, question was different, and to the English medium question, the question was different. The same question was different. There was slight difference. For example, in a question of English subject, there was one question in which the question was different for English medium students, and it was different, a little different for the Hindi medium students. I don't understand why it was so, because English subject is fully English now. You don't have to translate it to Hindi. The question should be same. Then why was it different? After that, there was a question of maths. It was a question of algebra, in which the question was different in English, and the algebraic term, the main question, the algebraic term, the mathematical term, it was different in Hindi. Now I don't understand, when you are doing translation, you will translate the English thing now. The mathematical term, it will simply copy paste, it will be copy paste simply. Then why was it different? Whatever I can say. So because of these problems, the candidates with less marks got selected, but with higher marks they got failed. Currently the case is going on in CAT. CAT means Central Administrative Tribunal. Now what is this CAT? CAT is a court which deals with central government jobs. Okay? It deals with the problems like recruitment or any other problems which is related to the central government jobs. Okay? The case was also filed in the High Court, but this time High Court has said that it will not interfere in the decision of CAT. It said that it will observe, it will do the observation, but it will not interfere in the decision of CAT. So this time, after the decision of CAT, the case may not go to High Court because it has already said that it will not interfere. So the case may go directly to the Supreme Court, because of course the one party will not be satisfied. In the last hearing, the judge said that he wants to hear the side of Controller of Examination of SSC. And also there was no stay on joining. So the next hearing date is 22 April. And also there is Rozgar Mela on 26 April. Rozgar Mela is a program in which appointment is given. Right? So on 22 April, if there is no stay, then the departments related to the CGL 2024 whose DV has been conducted, those departments will issue the appointment letters on 26 April in the Rozgar Mela. But if the court puts stay on the joining, then appointment letters will not be distributed. Okay. Now the effect of joining on court case. See, if the joining is done, then it puts a pressure on the judge to take decision. However, it is written in the appointment letter, it will be written in the appointment letter that your appointment is provisional. It depends on the decision of the court. But even then, it puts pressure on the judge because joining has been done. Now, the problems in the court. These are that independent committee is not formed. That is, neutral subject experts are not involved. The analysis of the questions about the questions on which the case has been done, the analysis is done by the experts of SSC. So it is simply like that we are asking an accused to investigate its own case whether he has done the crime or not. And also the court mostly agrees with them because the court says that it is not a subject expert. And it is said that the court forms committee from its own side only in extreme cases. And these recruitment things are not considered extreme. Then there is a lack of transparency. In CGL 2023 case, the report submitted by the experts of SSC did not get public. So the reports does not get public and simply get sealed by the court. Same thing happened in CGL 2023. And only the things which are discussed in the court is written in the court order. But that is not the full explanation, right? Only a little things are explained in the court, not the full explanation. So we never get the full explanation. And we get no explanation about the question which are not discussed in the court because there is a lack of time. So all the questions are not discussed. In CGL 2023, all the questions were not discussed. So the questions which were not discussed, it is about them. There is nothing in the court order. See, I can understand about the privacy and security of subject experts, but what they can do is they can just remove the names of the subject expert from it and then they can make the report public. But what can I say? Then there is a money problem. Students are not very rich, right? That's why they are preparing for government job. So students cannot afford good advocates. Because court case does not run only on one day. Court case does not get over in one day. There are dates, multiple dates. So for multiple dates, students cannot afford good advocates. So this is also a major problem. Now let's see the CGL 2023 court case updates. Currently it is going on in the Supreme Court, right? Now what happened in High Court is, of course, an appeal was made for an independent committee, but the judge simply denied it. Then of course the court asked the SSC to form a committee of its subject experts and submit the report. SSC submitted the report and then said that nothing is wrong, all the questions are correct. And as I said earlier, that the court says that it's not subject expert, so it mostly agrees with the report of the commission, any commission, whether it is UPSC or SSC. However, the students won the case for one question. The case was done on 7 questions, but they won for only one question. And that question was of reasoning, in which the answer in the final key the answer was done 2, but earlier it was 1. So the court said the answer will be 1. So students won the case for this question. Actually in this question it was about meaningful words, meaningful English words, but the second word which SSC gave, it was a sport of some other country. So the court said that it is not a meaningful English word. Okay, so students won this case. Personally, I am not satisfied because 3-4 questions were 100% wrong out of the 7 questions on which case was done, but only one question has been accepted as wrong. Some explanation has been given in the order. However, I am not satisfied. In fact, I have talked to some teachers about their explanation, which was little explanation which was given in the court order, and the teachers said that explanations are not correct and they have been just made to prove themselves right. Full report of the subject experts is not given and it has been sealed. I wanted to read it, but what can be done? After that, even after this, the SSC didn't accept its defeat. It didn't even stop the joining process after the court order. So it was a contempt of court. So the court called the SSC chairman and scolded him for not following the court order. So after that, the SSC stopped the joining. After that, the case went to the double bench. This decision of the earlier court order was given by single bench. Single bench means there will be a single judge, and double bench means there will be two judges. So the SSC said that they have found another word in the dictionary. Means what a joke. Means they want to do anything just to prove themselves right. Then the double bench said, go to the single bench again and get it reviewed. So I don't know what happened next. Maybe the SSC went to the single bench and the single bench denied it, or maybe SSC didn't go to the single bench. And currently the case is going on in the Supreme Court. And I don't know till when the case will go on. When the result will come, I will tell you. For updates, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description box. And if the link does not work, you can simply search on the Telegram SSC Masala ENG. You don't need to use capital letters. You can simply search it. Okay, you will get the channel.